All right, I just realized I should probably make a quick little YouTube video because I don't know how many people actually know this. If you have a specialty lug nut, right, and you don't have the socket to it, first of all, if you use the steel tires, fuck you. These things shouldn't even be a thing, all right? Stop stealing shit. But if you have one and you don't have the socket to get it off, what you can do is take a 12 point that just barely doesn't fit. So in the case of these were 19 millimeters. The lugs I took off, but the one weird specialty he didn't have the socket for, I ended up finding a 25-30 seconds that just about fit it, and you just hammer it on there, man. Use a 12 point and hammer it on as tight as you can and just zap it off with the impact. So getting it out of there is almost an impossibility, so this socket's probably trash forever, but I'll try and put it in my vise and bang it out with a punch. Sometimes they'll come out, sometimes they won't, but you can pretty much always get the specialty socket off if you don't have the correct adapter for it. All right, continuing on, about to drop this cradle. I'm like a caliper away. So just gotta take this brake caliper off, and the rest of this puppy's ready to rock, ready to drop. Come on. All right, managed to beat that puppy out of there. Just put it in the vise, hit it with that punch, that hammer, knocked that old lug right out. I actually got 2 more to go. I'm gonna take the front tires off so I can swing these lift arms under. Found a good support place so that way I can just lift the entire car off of the subframe and take it way up there in the air. You know, just work underneath it. Come on.